first question for our Sweet Choices Fast Talk game. Okay, ito. Sweet Choices is the name of our segment. Number 1, concert date or movie night?
Entertain.
Okay, reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, good luck.
Concert date, movie,
Parang hindi naman nababasa.
movie night for KZ, concert date for DJ.
Pero wala na tama to na
Magkasama ba talaga tayo?
Okay, no explanation daw. Oh, di ba? No
Di ba kayo mag-explain? Baka naman isipin nyo talagang for the clout lang yung pagiging
Sorry. Okay, ito naman, feel ko, may chance kayo dito sa second question natin. Love letter or love song? May chance yan! KZ, DJ, feel ko, same answer na kayo dito. Okay.
Ito mali ka pa.
Sana naman, same
Okay.
time sagot. Sana huwag matapos yung gabi nang hindi tayo nagtutugma para magkakaroon na
Reveal in 3, 2, 1. Love song.
love song.
Perfect! Okay, ito naman. Always or forever?
Forever.
Okay, check natin. Always or forever reveal. Okay. Always. And then always. Yay!
Yun na po yun. Kung inabangan niyo yung kantang palagi, yun na siya.
Yun.
Okay, speaking of palagi, ito naman, uulit-ulitin or pipiliin. Check na natin. Feeling ko ano kaya yung yung Okay, KZ and DJ, reveal in 3, 2, 1. Ulitin kay KZ is pipiliin. Pipiliin, uulit-ulit.
Hindi kompleto. Uulit-ulitin?
Pipiliin.
Donkey.
Guys, don't forget yung Forever Donut, pwede nyo pa po i-purchase. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you so much, KZ, for